Hi, this is Andy Wolfe, the pilot in command at Drone Brothers. Today we're going to talk about orthomosaic maps. These are what we call a game changer. Think of these maps as Google Earth on steroids. With the input from our clients, our pilots will define a route for the drone to fly to capture a map of the overall site. It will go back and forth along the green lines like a lawnmower, capturing hundreds or thousands of individual pictures. We then use proprietary software to stitch these photos together to create gorgeous, detailed, orthomosaic maps. Everything outside our map is considered Google Earth or Google Maps, and as you zoom in, it gets pixelated. With our maps, as you zoom in, you see really fantastic detail of the site. Because we are flying the maps on a regular basis, you can simply click back and forth in the calendar view to view any date of the map flown. These maps are available from a computer, phone, or tablet and can easily be exported as JPEGs or a PDF, and links to the maps can easily be shared with your team, subs, banks, or the owner. These are a great tool to keep everyone up to date as to the progress of your job site. Orthomosaic maps, another way Drone Brothers is helping to revolutionize the way information is being shared on your job site.